The single largest investment in Alabama history is the Novelis aluminum and recycling plant in North Baldwin County. Now, it was supposed to open this year, but that date being pushed back to 2026. WKRG News 5's Debbie Williams is taking a look at this massive construction project and the city of Bay Minette that's already reaping the benefits of a plant that's not even open yet.
Construction of the Novelis plant has been going on for the better part of 2 years, most of it shielded from the public. But to understand the size and scope of this project, you have to see it from above. 3,000 acres, a $4.1 billion investment.
We've got steel erection happening and ongoing. We've got equipment foundations being poured. We've got equipment components being installed.
A water tower is obvious. Novelis has also built its own concrete plant on site. But the most noticeable part of the massive build is the steel frame of the plant itself.
So the actual size under roof of the plant will be 44 football fields.
All of it expected to be finished in the second half of 2026.
So it is 90 to nothing out there, lots of activity, lots of excitement.
5 miles from the construction site in downtown Bay Minette, the Novelis effect is already starting to take shape.
We have been seeing an increase in interest, obviously in Bay Minette and North Baldwin County, developers and others, retailers looking to come to our area.
Already, Cobblestone Hotel has announced plans to build. Construction of the 54-room hotel expected to begin next month and be open by next summer. Renovations for a new restaurant, Big Mike's Steakhouse, already underway downtown, expected to open later this summer.
Not only is it important for our city as a whole, but for downtown, because they're both going to be located downtown.
In the last 10 years, Bay Minette has been the only part of Baldwin County that hasn't seen significant growth. That has already started to change.
This investment is spurring additional investment in the retail and commercial industry. The real estate economy up here has tremendously improved.
Road construction along 287 that runs in front of the plant has already begun. The I-10 interchange also in line for expansion, and that's just the beginning. The
investment by Novelis and the economic impact we know is measurable, and then there'll be all the immeasurables that continue to happen for our community, our county, and our state.
1,000 employees will be needed to run the operation. Applications expected to be available in the coming weeks.
It is a game changer for Baldwin County in the state of Alabama.
What once was known as the mega site, on track to become the mega plant that will change North Baldwin County forever. On the Baldwin County beat in Bay Minette, Debbie Williams, WKRG News 5.